YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new what's in my jar video. What's in my jar? UnJarring video. Okay, we got a little coffee here so I don't lose my voice. Let's go ahead and break into this. I'm going to use an X-Acto knife. We're going to try to cut this open. I paid $9.99 for it. Let's get it open. Try not to cut anything. Oh, here we go. Alright. Aw, looks like we got a little jewel that came off. Oh, and it probably came off of that. Alright. Okay. There's one jewel. Let's go ahead and lay it down. And we have turquoise beads. Oh, and this is strands. So this is several strands of turquoise beads, which tells me that someone was a beader when they had... Oh no, wait a minute. This is a necklace. Okay. What is that? That's interesting, isn't it? I mean, I guess this piece used to have a clasp, and it was a turquoise necklace. Very gorgeous. This is some sort of horn thingy. And let's see. There's something written on here, and I don't know what it is. This has a hallmark, and I'm not sure if I've ever seen it before. Oh, it goes all the way around. So this is decoration on this piece. Very pretty. That is where the necklace are going to go, right there. Looks like we have a lot of bling bling rings. This is where this jewel goes in, easily repaired. Oh, and here's another jewel. So that one goes there, this one goes here. So I have all the pieces and I can repair it. Alright, so that's a pretty ring. And it is, ooh, that's nice and sturdy. A adjustable ring. Okay, rings can go over there in the corner. Here is another one. And hopefully the jewel for this one is in here. It's very cute. It's a butterfly ring. Put those little antennas up. And it's also adjustable. Very cute. This is one of those beaded stretch rings, and look how pretty that is. Ooh, that's pretty. All gorgeous. All the stones are there. Let's see. Oh man, all the stones are missing from this, but if I pop this out, that would be cute. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. It's adjustable as well. This is another stretch ring. Oh man, now that, I'm gaudy, but man, that is really gaudy. It's gorgeous though, isn't it? That's gorgeous. And then here's this one, pretty flower. There. Okay, this is a bangle bracelet. Very cute. It looks like it may have had something on there at one point, but I guess it's missing. Put bracelets over there. We have a bracelet. It says Damn SJB BJSE Mad. Okay. That's interesting. Maybe that means something to somebody. Okay, this is a leather necklace. It's missing a clasp, but it has these, and these beads are heavy metal, so I'm thinking brass. Very pretty. Oh, isn't this cute? This has crystals. I don't know what it, oh, you know what? I think this went to here. Yep. So that's how it would have looked. Okay. This has some gorgeous beads on it. And that's how it used to look. And I bet all this requires is just a little hookup. And it will look like that. It's gorgeous. I love it. I really love the colors on that. Very pretty. Our necklaces. This is a bracelet. Oh, it had stones. This is one of those snap bracelets or whatever you call them. Oh, this is like a really long necklace. Wow, that's really long. I can't even get it in the camera, it's so long. That's doubled up right there. But you could triple it and make it real pretty. I love, this is what made me get the jar, is this bracelet right here. This is so gorgeous. I don't think it'll fit my wrist, but it will fit my daughter's. I really like this. Very pretty. Oh, keychains. So what I've started to do is collect keychains. And this is what I've gotten out of all the jars and bags. So this one is going to go on here as well. And it says jogger. And there is something written on the back and I don't know what it is. What does it say? Lowell something incorporated. Cool. Jogger. Maybe that's some brand name I'm not aware of. This is a very pretty bracelet. It's got all the rhinestones, it looks like. So that one is pretty. Over here, these are a couple of beads. There's a freshwater pearl. Okay. This is a guitar shaped as a butterfly with a couple of dangles. Very kiddish, very cute. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. I don't know what this stone is. I mean, it's glass for sure, but I don't know what they were. It could be rose quartz they were trying to emulate. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. This is a pin. Oh, there's a little ball. It's yellow, so I don't know what that ball is, but it's cute. And it's a charm. Where did I put that other charm? Well, we'll just start a pile here. Okay, this is a, oh, this used to be a really cute bracelet, it looks like. It's, all of these are bows. Very cute. That's pretty pearl. This is a button, a snap button, whoop, and then a glass bead, earring back, and another keychain. This is really pretty. This is a earring, another earring back, and it's a clamp earring, just like that. That's a crazy earring, but somebody might like it. So that's our first earring. Wow. Usually we get a lot already. This is also an earring. And another earring. Hey, there's the other one of that one. So we got a pair. This is a set of kid bracelets or adult, you know, if they like these type of bracelets. This is a pretty bracelet. Looks like it was painted on the inside and the out. Wow, so they could keep wearing it, I bet. Or maybe they wanted to match an outfit. Oh, this is pretty. It's a bangle bracelet with rhinestones. Very pretty. Okay, and this is a necklace that has a, this is an earring. Thank goodness, because I thought this black, I thought this black feather was a part of the necklace. Oh no, come on, don't do that. Okay, there we go. Very pretty necklace. Okay, that goes there. Pieces of earring. There's a feather earring. This is a little baby bracelet with a butterfly. Then a little stretch bracelet with a, that's it. Stretch bracelet. This is a real pretty stretch bracelet. Look how pretty that is. Very gorgeous with the champagne pearls. Very, very pretty. This is a Mickey Mouse keychain in the shape of an A. Yay. Yay for the A. This is a aluminum ring. I don't know what that is, but there's a couple. So we put unidentified with that. Oh, it's a heavy bracelet. And it is pink enamel. Then we have this stretch. That don't have much stretch at all. But it's black beads, black glass beads with white glass beads. Great if you're matching an outfit. This one, another set of different bracelets. There we go. Oh, there's the other earring to there. So we got a pair there. And that is a braided or a crocheted rope thing. These are all going over here. Because we don't really know what these are, so we got to keep them together. Oh man, I love these type of necklaces right here. And it just is missing a jump ring. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it is heavy. Very beautiful necklace. Got rhinestones at the end. Very pretty. Oh, this is a bracelet or an anklet. Whatever it is, it's really long. Not really long, but maybe a larger ankle. Very pretty. I'll put it with the bracelets. I'll put this over here with the necklace. And this is a bracelet, looks like, that needs a clasp. We have an earring back and an earring back. Oh, I've always loved these. Yay, I got one. So this is one of those little paperweights, and it's shaped as a teardrop. I love it, love it, love it. Yay, I've been wanting one of those forever, but I wasn't willing to pay like $9.99 for one. I'm a cheapo. This is one of those, what do you call it, adjustable bracelets. And it has, oh no, this is a strap. This is a strap, and this is a strap. They're soccer balls. Very cute. Another pearl bracelet. Another pearl bracelet. This one has a cross with rhinestones. Another pearl bracelet. This is a beaded bracelet. This is a metal bracelet. And this is a metal bracelet. Very pretty. And it looks like we have this little guy. It's keychain. Keychain fashion. Doesn't really say what he is. Just a guy in a raincoat. This one is another one. The California raisins. Very cute. I used to collect that stuff in the 80s and the 90s. This is a bracelet. And this is a bracelet. And then I got one of these already. So I'll show it to you on my keychains. So now I have two. Yay. Okay. That's it for this jar. Oh no, there's another one in here. Oh my goodness. Another keychain. Another one. Okay, cool. So we got 3 of those now. Yay. And let's go ahead and put this away, and we're going to come back in a couple of days and we're going to do another jar opening. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.